Before we get into the other data structures like tuples and dictionaries, we'll quickly look at certain built-in functions which is there for list. For that we'll define a list 2 3 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I'm defining a list A, and A is 2 3 4 5 6. In this list you can insert into a list, you can append into a list, and you can also extend the list. So by extending the list, it will just add the data element. Look at it, it adds the data element in the last. So it will still continue to be a list, single list with element or data element 7 added. You can also append it, but there will be a difference which you can see now. So I just have appended it. So now if you check the list, the append create an additional list. So it's a kind of a nested list you will see here in the last. While there is a difference between an append and extend. So extend is going to extend the list, append is going to basically append with another list inside. So it will be a nested list. And you can also insert an element into the list. For that you need to mention at what position you want to insert into the list. So I am saying in the first position I wanted to have number 9 appended. Sorry, it needs to be insert. So insert position 1 with 9. Yeah, now you have 9 inserted in position 1 because the list always starts from the 0th position. On position 1 we have inserted 9. Now we will progress further in the next presentation on tuples and dictionary.